Hello YouTube, in this video I'll break down 7 upgrades you can make to your Gaggia Classic Pro in 2024. Whether you just bought the machine or have had it for a while, this video might be for you. If you have modified your machine, share your favorite mods in the comments. Keep in mind, these are my personal preferences based on the espresso shots I'm aiming for, so they might not be relevant to everyone. The first and most important mod for me is the 9-bar overpressure valve. The stock Gaggia comes with a 15-bar pressure spring, and this mod transformed the shot quality almost entirely. This is a highly recommended mod for Gaggia owners. The second mod is removing the single press-on spring on the power switch. I prefer how a switch is supposed to work, one state for on and another for off. The stock machine has a one-way switch that returns to the off state after being pressed to turn on. Additionally, I've removed the eco timer mode from this machine by bypassing a simple wire, allowing the machine to stay on without automatically turning off. The third mod is a game changer. A proportional integral and derivative, also known as PID, device. This device helps better manage and control the temperature inside the boiler. You can see a quick showcase of how the PID works later in the video. This mod allows for precise temperature control while brewing coffee. There will be a link up on the screen for a step-by-step instruction video I made a while back. I'll also put a link in the description. The fourth mod is optional due to mixed reviews on its impact on espresso shots. With some tweaks to the original machine and shower attachment, it should function similarly. I've kept it installed since I got the machine. I've modified my shower head with a brass one for better heat distribution and fitted it with an IMS shower screen and a silicone gasket. The silicone gasket is highly recommended as it is more heat resistant and lasts longer than the original rubber gasket. The fifth mod is adding LED lights. Who doesn't love LED lights? This mod helps me see when the water tank is almost empty and adds a slight aesthetic look to the machine. You can find another installation video tutorial in the upper screen and in the link description as well. Last but not least, the IMS basket for the portafilter. I purchased this together with the shower head screens, so I'm just gonna use it. This is also an optional mod as the original basket that comes with the machine works well too, although it is slightly smaller at 14 grams. The one I have is a 16 gram basket. That pretty much sums up the mods you could do to your Gaggia at home. Now, let's dive into the next step. Pulling an espresso shot and frothing the milk. I'm making a latte in this video, so I'll go through step by step how the machine works in this state. Once the machine is plugged in, I turn it on and immediately you can see the LED in the tank is lighting up, indicating the machine is powered on. You can see that the PID unit displays the current temperature in the boiler. Notice how the temperature is increasing, indicating that the machine is heating up. Since I've had the machine shelved for a while, I flushed the group head and portafilter for a short while, heating up everything at the same time. During the shot, you'll notice a slight temperature loss. This is normal for single boiler, small size machines like Gaggia. However, the temperature will not drop below a certain point, usually around 90 degrees Celsius. Now, I measure 16 grams of coffee and aim for a ratio of 1 to 2, which translates to about 32 milliliters of espresso within 30 seconds, with the approximation of 1 gram equaling to 1 milliliter. Next, I switch on the steam switch and you can see the temperature in the boiler heating up, creating steam pressure in the tank. I pour about 120 milliliters of fresh milk into the frothing pitcher and begin frothing. Be sure to check out my video on frothing milk with the Gaggia. I'll link it in the description below. So there you have it. This pretty much sums up the upgrades and mods you can do to your Gaggia Classic Pro in 2024. Leave comments, give a like and share if you like this video. Thank you so much.